This is infrastructure. And this. But so is this. It's here. It's way out there. It's everywhere. And it's essential. Definitely essential. Infrastructure works hard, and so do the millions of people who make it work. Not sitting in an office all day plugging away on a spreadsheet until your eyes pop out of your head hard. No, these jobs are different. These jobs use your whole brain. Jobs that take you to the far reaches of the world. Jobs that change the world. But how do you get in on this? So glad you asked. We're Bentley Systems, the infrastructure engineering software company. Our software builds all that stuff. Were you expecting a protractor? Hang on to that. This is Bentley Education. It's an online platform built to connect you to the infrastructure world. It's got everything you need to begin a career in infrastructure and the tools to make it happen. Here's a breakdown. Complete access to the software that the pros use, a network of industry professionals, plus bonus resources, news, travel opportunities. You guessed it, all at no cost. Bentley Education is giving you the tools and hands-on training to help you navigate the real world and make your mark in it. So click the link below, give us some quick info, and prove you're not a robot. In just a few clicks, your journey begins. Join us and build yourself a new world.